So when you miss that, your concentration will be that we don't know where it's come from. Then we have to make it clear at the beginning. Okay, you want to get anapanasati, we have to stay with the breath. Cannot go to any other object. If you follow in the touching area on the sensation, then it's slowly going to be a polymen's meditation. We can concentrate on the touching area. On that area, we also need to pay attention on the breathing in and out breath on that area. So we call it touching air is more important than area. So we have to be very clear about that. So concentrate on that area. Then we have to watch like the gatekeeper, how he watch the person in and out. We have to wait there, and just his duty is just standing and concentrate on the gate. Only crossing area, same as that. You will feel that after for a while you're crossing people only. Same as that, our mind also just stop in the touching area and watch the breath in out from there. So after for a while you start to feel the breath movement very smoothly and very soft, and the subtle breath will happen. And this way some people can continue only knowing in and out breath, 10 to 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. You can concentrate too. You can get concentration. You also can get the limiter from that. This is also one way. Other people may be difficult to get in this method. So for this, the Buddha encouraged the 4 steps of meditation for anapanasati. After for a while your mind is start to wander off or not happy with the breath, he encouraged that trying to concentrate about in breath, out breath. On this, in breath, out breath, concentrate about long breath or short breath, and also the whole breath, and then subtle breath, 4 steps. So when you practice in this way, also you can get concentration. But anyway, in the end, you will get subtle breath. When you get a subtle breath, you just give you a subtle breath, knowing in breath and out breath on that subtle breath. Continuously carry on for 10 to 20 minutes. For our research, you can see that many meditators, they can concentrate on the breath for 20 minutes. They really have they can get concentration. So for this, after 20 minutes, they start to see what the color. So then it's in front of the face or beside their face, some see bright light or any some color is coming across in front of the face. So when they see the color, we didn't encourage them to concentrate on the color. As when they go and concentrate on the color can be disappear easily. And also another reason people will start to get suspended with this is outside bright light. I don't think so there's limiter. So they start to open their eyes and try to concentrate on that. As when they open their eye, concentration drop. They cannot enter jhana, so they cannot get deep concentration. So that's we encourage when you see the color, any color doesn't matter. Just give it with the breath. The mind continuously awareness on the breathing, in breath and out breath. Then only your concentration becomes deeper. You start to see color, it start to get change. You know, the way color is we call the sign of concentration. When you concentrate on the breathing, so the minds are really happy. You get a subtle breath. Then concentration mind produce that color. So we call the sign of concentration.